Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we're going to talk about upcoming iPad Air 4 2020. The new iPad Air 4 has been leaked multiple times in past few weeks, so Apple could be launched new tablet in this week. We have heard that upcoming iPad Air 4 is said to be heavily inspired by the iPad Pro. The device is reportedly includes the edge-to-edge screen, faster processor and USB-C connector. Interestingly, the iPad Air 4 will be first Apple product to have the Touch ID integrated into the side-mounted power button. The announcement for the iPad Air 4 will be on September 15 at 10 am. We will find out the official release date for the iPad Air 4 during the event. The iPad Air 4 may come with a significant design upgrade over its predecessor, which we will discuss in the next section. Because of those potential upgrades, we will speculate that the price of the iPad Air 4 will be higher than the iPad Air 3 cost. Apple could release it for the same $499 starting price. A new iPad Air 4 having iPad Pro-like design, which means small and modern symmetrical black bezels around the display. A USB Type-C charging port instead of Lightning, and Magic Keyboard Smart connector to the backside of the tablet, but possibly fingerprint sensor embedded into the power button. And older rumors already based on the information from the Chinese supplier also said that next iPad Air 4 screen size increased to the 11-inch, likely thanks to the having smaller bezels. For comparison, the iPad Air 3's screen size is 10.5 inches. The iPad Air 4 is most likely going to be running on iPad OS 14 at launch, which comes with a number of usability updates. Most notable, the Apple Pencil is become even more useful on the iPad Air 4 with the Scribble. Scribble is an iPad OS 14 features that will allow users to write in any text field with the Apple Pencil. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.